Sanibona Zamali Zulu Nation. Welcome to another Learn Zulu Every Day. Today we've got another African storybook story, and it's called Ipola Lami Elibomvu. So I'll just speak through this episode. I'll just speak through in Zulu, speak a bunch and try and explain, and then next episode we'll get into more explaining what stuff means and more talking around things. So Ipola. Yabona ibhola 2010 bekukhona indebe yomhlaba eningizimu Afrika. Ibhola lami elibomvu, into ebomvu libomvu. Just look at the bottom point of this little note. That's just the way I can point to things here. So lento ibomvu lapha kuluhlaza lapha liphuzi lapha into imhlophe okay, ebomvu ibhola lami elibomvu, which is red, just in case. Ibhola lami elikhulu elibomvu. Ngiyakhahlela. Okay, uyabona lapha khona umlenze, ingalo le, umlenze. Ngiyakhahlela. Ngikhahlela ibhola lami. Ngikhahlela ibhola lami elibomvu. Yabona libomvu. Lapha kumhlophe. Lapha kuluhlaza. Lapha kuluhlaza. Green and blue, luhlaza. Bomvu, something ebomvu, red. Ngikhahlela, kick, ibhola lami elibomvu kakhulu. Liphi manje, liphi manje. Liphi ibhola lami. Liphi ibhola lami manje. Liphi ibhola, which is red, elibomvu. Liphi ibhola lami elibomvu, which is red, manje. Naliya phezulu esibhakabhakeni, isibhakabhaka, the sky, isibhakabhaka, phezulu esibhakabhakeni. Ngabe lidlule inyanga le, na inyanga. Oh, can't get it properly. Inyanga, the moon. Has it passed the moon? Ngabe lidlule inyanga? Ngubani owaziyo? Who knows? Fantastic. Oopsie. Cool. Ibhola lami elibomvu. I have a podcast going as well. I've just taken the audio from these videos, so I'll put the link below, and yeah, have a watch of the video and then listen a few times on the podcast on the way to work and learn some Zulu. Salani kahle.